Immaculate one-owner brick house on a beautifully landscaped corner lot. Custom-built property with over $76,600 worth of updates/additions. New granite counters in the master bathroom in 2020, and in 2019, new dishwasher, front gutters, painted house, and shed, new deck boards and replaced eaves with white PVC. New garage door opener in 2018, new water heater and washer in 2017, and first floor HVAC 2016, and so much more. Home has vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, formal dining and living room/office, an updated kitchen open to the family room with floor-to-ceiling stone, gas fireplace and a huge screened-in porch with lovely soft blue tray ceiling. Easily enjoy one-level living with this home's large first-floor master bedroom with tray ceiling, lots of windows and an updated ensuite bathroom with walk-in closet. 3 nice bedrooms with walk-in